Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi began the first ever visit by an Indian head of government to Croatia in Europe with a special gesture by Croatian Prime Minister Andrej Plenković receiving Modi at the airport in Zagreb. At the historic Banski Dvori Palace, Modi was received by Plenković and with a ceremonial welcome. Modi said the historic speech of Croatian scholar Sakcinski was delivered at the palace in the Croatian language. Modi said he felt a sense of pride and contentment expressing his thoughts in Hindi. The Indian Prime Minister said, quote, "Language is a bridge, and today, we are strengthening that bridge," end quote. Notably, a special enthusiasm for Hindi was reflected in many people from Croatia greeting Modi with Sanskrit shlokas, classical Indian dance performances like Kathak, and other traditional Indian forms. On the bilateral front, the two leaders agreed to focus on significant opportunities for increased cooperation in sectors such as infrastructure, ports and shipping, digitalization, AI, renewable energy, pharma and tourism, and hospitality. They noted that popularity of Indian culture, Indology and yoga in Croatia had brought the people of the two countries closer. Prime Minister Modi conveyed wishes for the celebration of the upcoming International Yoga Day on 21st June to all yoga enthusiasts in Croatia. The two prime ministers emphasized encouraging greater business-to-business collaboration and facilitate investment partnerships and joint ventures. Modi suggested that Croatia could leverage India's skilled talent and called for setting up institutional collaboration in the field of mobility. They agreed on the importance of improving connectivity, including through the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor, IMEC. Croatia can serve as India's gateway into Central and Southeastern Europe, Modi said. 4 memorandum of understanding were signed in the fields of agriculture, science, technology and culture, and on renewal of a Hindi chair were signed. Modi thanked Plenković for the strong support and solidarity extended by Croatia to India in its fight against terrorism. The two leaders expressed satisfaction at the deepening of India-EU strategic ties and conveyed their support for early conclusion of the India-EU Free Trade Agreement. Prime Minister Plenković hosted a dinner in honor of Prime Minister. Prime Minister invited Prime Minister Plenković to visit India at a mutually convenient time.